Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix no sound output problem in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Sound. Choose where to play sound, select the device. Otherwise add new device. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Tier Audio Device, click Properties. Click Driver, click Uninstall Device. Restart System. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Sound. Click Output Devices. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.